The Parts page in Inventory Functional Area is used to record and continually maintain a master list of all the parts. Parts is a complete list of spare parts and maintenance supplies. These parts are then later distributed as quantities to various stockrooms, where current quantity information is maintained. You may or may not have a specific part for your facility, so you'll want to check it here and perhaps contact the other location for the part before buying a new one. Every part is identified by a unique part number. To locate a part, it's probably easiest to go through the parts list and filter. For example, you could filter by the manufacturer of the part in the manufacturer filter, or you could use the begins with or contains filter to find a part containing a certain word. Filtering helps you narrow your list. Clear all filters to give you all of your parts back. If you click on a part and view it, you will see details of the part including vendor part number, part name, stock class, category, manufacturer, etc. The Details tab contains the basic part information that is pulled from the Parts Master page, as well as the many quantity, cost, and date fields. All quantities are drawn from the selected stockroom except for total quantity on hand, which is the summary of all stockrooms. Work Orders. The Work Orders tab displays various information for parts that are currently associated to open work orders. When a part is used on a work order, the quantity information will be displayed in this tab. The data is read-only and is used for reference purposes only. The fields listed on the Work Orders tabs are Work Order Number, Activation Date, Quantity Allocated, and Quantity Required. The Asset History tab displays various information regarding the assets on which a specific part was used. When a part is used on an asset via a work order, the information will be displayed in this tab. The data is read-only and is used for reference purpose only. The fields listed on the Work Order tabs are Asset Number, Asset Name, Total Used, and Last Used Date.